assembblers. My name is John Mark Caradola, the leader and the assembler number 1.
And I'm Junior A. Batani, assembler number 2.
And my name is Mark Cedric Salinas, the coder for the project.
And my name is Coran Sanyal. I will be explaining the Arduino and the code.
Here, you just need 5 jumper cables, 2 resistor, 1 LED, and 1 tilt switch sensor. And for the challenge, you just need to add 1 buzzer, 6 cable, 3 resistor, and 1 RGB.
Greetings, now here's the following breakdown for the challenge of the Arduino project number 8. Now for our following tasks, we have been tasked to add an RGB light and a buzzer. So, now for our condition, if the sensor doesn't detect any vibration, then the RGB will be set to red. Thus, the buzzer will be turned off. However, if the sensor detects a vibration, then the RGB will be set to violet, and including the buzzer will be turned on. Now, as you can see in our code, we have added the following RGB. We have added the RGB from its pin from RGB 9, 10, and 11, which is the red, green, and blue. Now, for the buzzer, we have now we have added the buzzer pin, which is attached to pin number 8. Now, for the following code, we have added the set color for the RGB, which is for the violet color, and then the buzzer. Now, for the buzzer, we have input 4 functions. We have the digital write, which is the buzzer will be turned on. Now, and we have the tone function, which indicates how much frequency it will generate when the buzzer has been turned on, and then the no tone or the delay. And now for the else statement, we have set the color for the RGB red tone if the sensor doesn't detect any vibration for it, and the digital write for the buzzer pin will be set to low.